Hi guys, welcome to another week of online distance learning. Today is Tuesday, May 12th. It is a B day, so we have social studies to do. Before I show you what we need to do today, I want to point out something really important. Social studies and all your classes, but especially social studies, now all have new grading systems. So I want you guys to look at the new system. So let's look at it together. So what's going to happen is that you will now get one grade for the week instead of a grade for each assignment. So I want you guys to look at the rubric that's attached here. But to get a 100% for the week, you have to do all of the following things. So you need to complete all assigned work. You need to respond to emails from your teacher. You need to respond to the comments that your teachers post on your assignments on Schoology. And you need to make any of the changes that they ask you to. If you have any questions, you can email Mr. Jimmy or Miss Linnea, or you can always join us on Google Meet. Here you can see our rubric, so let's take a look at that together. So each week, this is how many points you will earn based on what you do. So for a 100, you need to be exceeding our expectations, so doing more than what's expected of you. So like I said, all the things you need to complete. During a 95, you need to meet our expectations, and you need to do these things. To get an 85, you're almost meeting expectations. 75, you're partially meeting our expectations. 60, you're beginning to meet expectations. And 50, you do not meet expectations. Okay? So if you have any questions about this, please email Mr. Jimmy or Miss Linnea, or you can join us on Google Meet. So let's look at what we have to do today. So we are in our week 6 folder for Tuesday, May 12th. You need to watch the Bert the Turtle video and comment on our daily discussion. So let's look what it says. Remember, there's always a work plan posted, but you do not need to do anything with it. We have this here to help you guys, to keep you organized, and so you can make sure you're doing everything that you needed to do. So for Tuesday, which is today, we will be starting a Cold War lesson. We want you guys to watch the Duck and Cover video and answer the discussion question. And then you guys can think about the Rate Your Understanding question. And on Thursday, we'll have a Civil Rights Movement lesson. As always, there are reflection questions on the back that you can think about for yourself. So let's look at our Tuesday folder. So our goal for today is I can identify the sides of the Cold War. Oops, I'm sorry. So here's what you need to do. You need to watch the direction video. You need to watch the Bert the Turtle video and post in the discussion. We want you guys to complete any missing or late work. And we want you to check your email and or join us on Google Meets. So let's look what's inside the folder. As always, the first thing posted is the direction video, which you're obviously watching. Next, we have our Bert the Turtle video and discussion, so let's click on that. So here's what it says. World War II ended when the United States dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan. After World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union started the Cold War. The Cold War was when the US and the Soviet Union threatened to drop atomic bombs on each other. Watch this video. It was shown in schools. This video was shown in schools to have students practice what to do if an atomic bomb came. The schools had to practice like this just like they would for a fire drill. So watch the video. It's a little less than 10 minutes long. And then after you watch the video, you need to post in discussion. So you need to answer one of the questions, okay? So that means the 1, 2, or 3, not just one part of the question, but the whole part. So number 1, what do you have to do if an atomic bomb were to come? Do you think that would help? 2, how would you feel if you had to practice this at school? Can you make any connections? And 3, what are any other noticings, wonderings, or learnings that you had? Remember, please write in complete sentences. And remember, this is one of your assignments for the week. And now that you're getting a weekly grade, make sure that you put the time and effort into this that you need. You can always listen to the audio directions as well. And then once you've completed that, you have a couple other things that you can look at in our Tuesday folder. So our next one is if you want to learn more about World War II. These are not required. These are some extra learnings that you can do. So it says, do you want to learn more about World War II? You can complete the GBTM activities posted on Schoology. Those are located in the folders under week 5, I believe. And then you need to email that completed work to Mr. Jimmy or Miss Linnea. You can also watch these videos. So we have Crash Course. We watch them in science a lot, and we've watched a couple this year in social studies. Here's part 1 and part 2. So you can always watch those as well. And then you guys have one more thing to check out for today, which is this update that we post that we want you guys to be checking your email, joining us on Google Meets, and really make sure that you understand the new grading rubric. So it is important that you guys check your email every day. Your teachers email you, and you need to respond to them. If you need help with your email, please watch this video. If you want or need help in social studies or want to say hi, you can always join Mr. Jimmy and Miss Linnea on Google Meets. Here is our nickname, MM Studies Parkway. And then we already talked about this, but we do have a new grading system. And here's the rubric again. And you guys, the most important thing is that you know you're getting 1 grade for the whole week. So if you do Tuesday's assignment but not Thursday's, that's going to affect your grade a lot. So remember everything that you need to do to get 100%. So the rubric is also here, and then there's also audio of the directions if that helps you. Please email Mr. Jimmy or Miss Linnea if you need anything, and we hope to see you guys on Google Meets. Have a good day.